What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Hobgoblin from Marvel. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left side and draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. And then we'll go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting back on the left, curve in and then up. Same thing on the right. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in and draw a half circle. Come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that up on the inside. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve down, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw on the top of the mouth, starting back on the left side underneath the eye, curve down in the middle, and back up on the right, and then we'll add a bracket, going out and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side, and curve down a little bit further in the middle, and then pull that back up on the right. Step down and draw a short curve for the lower lip. And then we'll add the top row of teeth, starting back over on the left, curve down the middle, and then bend that back up. And let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's move back up and add some wrinkles along the top edge of the brow. On the left side, we'll step out, curve out, and then up. Line this up on the right. Step out and draw a shorter one on the outside. And then we'll surround the face with the hood. In between the brow at the top, start with a point. Now from here we're just going to curve up and then out towards the left. Go back to the center, curve up and out towards the right. On the left side, we're going to step in to create an overlap. Just going to curve this out and then down the side of the eye. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's connect the ends with a half circle. Starting on the left, come down, pull this in underneath the mouth, continue out on the right side, and then up. I'm also going to accentuate the cheekbones. Starting on the left, curve in and then down. Line this up on the right. Now we move out and draw the outside edge of the hood. From this point, we're going to step out, curve out, and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Now we're going to connect the bottom with a curve coming underneath the chin. Come down, round this out, go across, and then up. Let's go back up to the top and add some folds. We're going to start on the left side. We're just going to curve this up and in towards the middle of the head to right about there. And then on the right side, we're going to draw a short curve going up and in. And we'll flop the hood over on the right. Starting on the left, step up, curve up, and then in towards the middle. And we'll flop this over, going out and then down. And we'll tuck this in on the right side. Now you want to show the inside edge of the hood on the left and right side. So starting from the side of the head, curve this out and then down. Now I just want to pull this in underneath the head. Come down and then in. Let's fill those areas in black. Let's drape the cape over the arms. So we're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head. We're going to start by curving down in the middle. And pull that up on the right. And it'll move in and draw the side of the body. Starting over on the left, curve out, and then down toward the left hip. Move over towards the right, out and down towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Going down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side, step up and draw the top of the belt. Just follow that same curve going across. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's draw two lines. One on the left, and then one on the right. And then we'll trace the buckle along the inside. I'm going to go back over towards the left side on top of the belt, curve the strap going out and up, step up, and draw that twice. Let's move out to the side and draw on the arms. From the outside of the cape, we'll step in, curve the arm, coming down and then out towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the wrist, we'll draw on the thumb. We're going to go up, pull it down, round up the tip of the thumb, and go back up. And then we'll add the edge of the palm, coming down and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add three fingers on either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, we'll draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again. We're going to tuck this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the bottom of the last finger, curve the palm, coming down. Just going to bend that up. And we'll tuck the bottom of the arm in behind the palm. Stepping down, curve in, and then up behind the body. Let's go halfway along the top of the arm and draw the edge of the glove. Curving in, and then back out. Let's go back up and finish off the cape. From the outside, we'll step up underneath the head, curve the cape going out, and then down in behind the arm. Now we're going to be drawing our character standing on the glider. So underneath the belt buckle, let's step down, draw a straight line going across. And from the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side and draw a half circle going up and then down towards the heel. And then we'll add a strap, starting back at the top of the foot, curve in and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out and then down on top of the foot. And then from the top of the leg on the inside, curve the shorts going up and then out towards the side. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up, curve down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right side, do the same thing. Now before we draw on the glider, let's finish off the cape. We'll line up with the outside, come down underneath the arm, come down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll connect the ends with a curve going in behind the legs. Coming down and in on the left and right. Go in between, just finish off that curve. Let's move in between the heels and draw on the glider's head. Leaving a gap in the center, we draw two curves. Starting on the left, curve in and then out. Line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now from the top, curve out and then up on both sides. And then from the top, curve out and then back in towards the bottom. Let's go in between the horns and draw a curve, going up and then down. Now at the bottom of the horns, we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Close off the bottom with a straight line. From the outside of the head, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in. And from the inside, curve down and then out. Let's connect the bottom corners with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Let's draw the front edge of the glider. Starting from the left side of the head, curve out and then down. Line this up on the right. Now from the end, draw a short line coming down. And we'll trace that same curve going back in towards the side of the head. Let's go up to the top corner, curve out, past the toe, and then up. And then from the outside, just taper that back in towards the bottom. From the outside of the glider, we're just going to curve this up and in behind the side of the foot. And then between the leg and the head, just draw 2 short lines going across. And then finally, I'm just going to add a small pouch on the left hip. Start from the top of the belt, draw a short line going out, come down, and then back in towards the hip. And that's pretty much it. There's a Hobgoblin from Marvel. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.